Influencer, we like big brick. Innocence face only fans looking.
Wahala.
My baby, you look for some young. Hi.
Wahala.
This will come off for cutting.
Hey!
Look at where she was hiding.
Where are you now, baby?
Fast.
Moo.
Moo. Yeah, them.
Babe!
Baby,
What's going on here?
I've been hoping to tell you this. Please, will you marry me?
Oh my god! Yes! Ha!
Okay, see the condom.
Bad dead.
That might be the Western side. So make a rush come bring her.
Hey.
Like if it was my own son.
What's going on here?
Madam, it's part of the surprise.
Yes. It's part of the surprise, baby.
The girl is not even wise. The madam is not wise at all.
I think you are.
Come and do to some girls to this side.
Let me sort this work. Make a try. Hello, Philip.
Yeah, hello.
I travel go village, Philip.
Oh, wow.
But I dey come back this afternoon as I dey talk to you.
You didn't come back so fast.
Village.
You know,
Christmas, you going.
I travel go enjoy Christmas for village. You know, say.
You did travel, you know, tell your man.
Philip, I dey come back this afternoon because of you.
You want to marry me?
Woo!
Wait,
Let's hear.
now my mama.
Uh-huh.
My mama say make I can't give you yam and gari. She say you dey try for me where for city.
Ow!
In regards to moms.
So she say she give me plenty yam and plenty gari to come give you. Exactly. So I dey come this afternoon. But the problem be say the transport what she give me, no too complete. Now just 1,000 naira remain to balance them.
Oh, wow.
Just small 1,000 naira. So if I just see if you go fit send me small 1,000 naira now, then I go just no, I go reach town, come give you the yam and
Are they
gari.
close to your gate already? Like this,
I'm just laughing.
cash.
Oh, you there my house for town.
Yes, are they very close to your gate? Are they come your place? I don't want to give you cash for Christmas so that make you carry enjoy. You know, so I never give you money before. So, I give you small thing, make you carry.
You know what thing?
Pause.
Send the money through POS. Send the money through POS.
I'll
So
wait
that
till you come back. I'll wait till you
you know if you do transfer.
My bank has issue. My bank get issue.
Your bank get
I mean,
issue.
You want the money, make a carry go back. Because at the front of your door like this.
No, not be say I no want.
But you dey village now, make a
Oh, now you dey knock for my door, so
you dey house or you dey village. Talk now.
I no travel again. Now prank. Come in.
That arrived the destination.
Moted up cars.
Yeah. How much is the stuff? 7,500. Do you want to do transfer or cash? For this your car, we don't get AC.
No, it's
God have mercy upon us.
yes, it's trying to do.
What's account number? Take. You know if you call account number. Look now. Look the account number now. I don't send down. Look at you don't send down. Don't send down, bro. Hello, wait first. Why you put central lock? What happened? They don't debit you. They have debited me now. Massive first. What be this?
The guy is not even sure.
Which kind? You don't know who you carry. Which one? They never credit me. This is make me I come down now. No, they go credit me first. Man, see the alert.
I smell
barista
trouble.
of the law. Now you
And this
you do central lock for barista. I go most kind of car is this one. I never see alert too. They never credit me. That make me they talk like I better not vex. Mark of farmer first. Do you know what this is? Forced imprisonment. Do you know that one? Under section 48. Do you know that? Forced imprisonment. But no imprison you now. I never see alert now. Why debit me? I go see them now. Am I the bank? Let me get the bank. They don't debit me. They never credit me now. At least I go see take time. See patient man. See whether they credit me now. If you don't see the alert, you go to your bank. You go ask them for statement of account. That's all.
That's it.
You go wait. So mama can check the account. Okay, open this door. Not break the handle of that door. Okay, open this door now. Respect yourself, oh. Everybody get where they all reach, oh. You not be your cut ass, oh. Now, person motor you do, you not be your cut ass. Okay, if you don't say you short push, I short push too. I never see a lot.
Oh God. Yes, don't want SK don't want to take any chances at all. They don't want to hear that the money was revised later on.
Jesus.
Nedu, are you blind? Did you see me?
I can't see you. Somebody that is all you rent wants to beat me, oh.
Nedu, who is that idiot? Okay, so you are owing me rent and you want to Nedu, go and slap it. Tell me you can slap it.
Slap? No green.
Oh, yeah. Say thank you, landlady.
Thank you, landlady.
Children, come inside.
The worst thing that can ever happen to man, the worst thing that can ever happen to
Congratulations,
man.
sir. Thank you for trusting us with this purchase. So in case of next time, you don't need to walk in, we'll deliver to your doorstep. And you can save more money by pre-ordering, which takes 5 to 7 weeks.
Oh, they are now begging money to survive.
Forgiveness is a kind of giving.
Forgiveness is a kind of...
If you do me, I do you.
I thought he was going to forgive. He wanted to jam them with his car.
Come on, keep your hand on sister.
People are wicked. People are wicked, truth.
Now that girl I tell you where they come. That one I done the date since over 8 years now for Facebook. So this is love. It be like say she don't reach. Hello? My gate. God have mercy. I'm coming.
I want the slap for. Papi, you started.
Oh no. We'll go 1.5 for what?
It's me now. Why are you doing this?
Come inside. Have a seat. Fine girl. I don't mean to hurt you. You know, you have seen where I'm living. You know, since 8 years now, this is our first time seeing each other. With what I'm seeing here, I can't afford to maintain your beauty. I don't have the money. I'm poor. You are more beautiful than what I saw on... Finally, before they go use an operation to take me for city, I better come village, come do my Christmas and New Year. At least with my 12,000 naira for this village, I be big boy. I'll use package it if finish it. You be mumu. Welcome. Lakumle. Long time. People still did this village. See you man being the young mumu.
Lakule community.
Now well done, no. Osasu. You don't know this guy? You talk about he get money, die.
He get money, die.
Ajajiri, I be rich here.
No money for him. Just land. Yeah, the guy is
City people.
I don't come home.
Wait, I go give you now. We get a bushmeat grass cutter. Pami.
We know they take all those things we have for come. This is not city have for come. And for city, the lifestyle cost.
Na me no. City boy.
You go get Hennessy.
I no get her, but my neighbor go get her. Mama Ruka, you get NSC?
Yes, Mama Tejri.
That's great. It is in our
I just remember. I see glass motor. So let's make another take Hennessy. See the caffeine too much.
Sorry,
Make her order Azu. She no go get that one.
Mama Tejuri, bring one more Azu. Okay, just a play.
now the third bottle be that oh.
I know now, bring the Azu.
Okay, hype man, bottle girl, bring one more Azu.
Oh, Salogwa, they don't do am again, oh.
Do remain for village.
You got the point.
Now the big boys are back on the community. They say
even
one
though
bottle is
tired.
They say 2 bottles is nothing. They say 3 bottles is
Who will tell you that? There is no more dirty like village again. Things are going on in the village.
God, that's soon. Who play?
No, I know they like Azu.
What of Mattel? Now still big boys drink, city boy drink.
And you know, quit tell me. Hey, but like this, I know if you dream Mate. Shut up your mouth. If I dream Mate, body go tell me. Give me what I make I drink.
You don't have money, I swear. Just confess that you don't have money.
In any December activity. Wish you all the best and a fun-filled month.
How can I help you, please? Cabs. The BMP cab service. Okay, now you be the cab man. I don't stay fast as since they wait for you, bros.
No better. Why you dey sweat? Come inside now. Come chop AC small now.
I got chop AC.
Come now.
I be carbs, so na Pablo.
Come now. I said me you come. Everywhere good.
No be lie. Enjoyment dey the background.
Enjoyment dey. Correct guy.
CBF.
Correct guy. Agree L day now. You know see L. Correct. Correct 5. Correct guy.
Bro, see where we be able to tear so. I fed do the check so.
Which one could be this one now?
I shake Dr. Strange now. I no
go be doctor.
Which one stranger now? So man no call check.
Now you call the check.
I do the check.
Josima. They tell me.
Do the cams. He complete. No worry. Can't be Jonesy man.
Why
you dey stand up?
When you call they go now, you know carry me come out again.
I know they just carry people like this again.
Party.
Watch out be Jonesy man.
They go observe you. Which kind?
I move. They observe the move now.
I move.
I got 100,000.
100,000 waiting.
For what?
Say this one no be car. This one a means of transportation. I want just buy because that they carry wood.
Play 100,000 now.
May I give you 85?
Now because of you.
Yeah, I beg.
Now make me agree for you. We have pay money.
85k.
Pay money.
Send account. First give me the key first.
Take the key. He actually bought the car, man.
Chama, how be this?
Enjoy your money now. Now mechanic will dash you in case.
You just might be doing bonanza for me.
Enjoy your life.
You're Ghana good person.
Nice movement.
Ain't dash you to me now, ain't dash you me. The steering they strong. They waiting? If the person won't collect that from my hand.
You strong? Yeah, wait.
Oh my nipple.
Yeah, check out.
He does serve back. Who talk Nana? Like the motor talk.
Yeah, no.
9 times say me a match break. Yeah, no man.
What do you mean?
You not gonna know. You not gonna know what it.
Most of the answer like no million exchange.
I know million exchange now. Know them? Yes, sir. They trade gift card and Bitcoin. They are very fast and reliable.
You sure?
They are very legit. Now they might trade with you and tell you the money to go back this car so.
Chairman, I might turn to drive.
Who goes you for that talk?
I dey drive since one person if you drive this motor so.
Calm down.
One person.
Which kind of your talk? Calm down.
One person no fit drive the motor. The motor is a human being motor. Human being motor. AI human being.
He don't come down. Now me they talk. Now he don't come down. Say now tomorrow you go spoil. They don't pay you well for that talk.
Are you communicating with the car or vehicle?
No, the mama talk and come outside.
Or
No, the
motor.
mama talk and come outside. You release the steering now. Wait till stop. Stop now. Release the steering now. Wait till happen. Sit your now. Not release the steering now.
See here, babe. I swear with everything I have, I love you.
But babe, you don't have anything.
Jesus.
It was at this moment that he knew.
And it's true.
He fucked up.
No be your fault. I me can't love you.
Babe, do you have anything?
No, nah. Which one is?
Neighbor.
Yes.
I was about eating this food and I lost appetite. I don't know if you have appetite.
Okay. Appetite is my thing.
You can have it.
Now me the appetite.
Even when my mother gave birth to me, they were looking for a name. They wanted to name me Appetite.
You're very funny.
Yes. I don't know. Okay, this is rice and stew.
Yo, what is it?
I'm hungry.
Now I want chop you. You're hungry.
I don't know. Junior is still hungry. I have to give him.
Whoa.
Take.
Thank you.
Saloba. Crity will not kill me. She will not put me to shame.
You can book a damn Yoreno. I believe them move your go. I don't know about it, but go.
Look at the way he's looking.
I go to
Let me just mess with his head.
No, there's no problem. Just in this compound, be on your own and let me be on my own.
Yeah. It's sad. It's sad. It's sad. Why would you do something like this to this kind of boy now?
Stop there. You go die today. How dare you point gun at me? Then me and you work and we talk. Say if the money don't drop, we go trade down with Kizzy Exchange because they are the most reliable place to trade with. They trade that kind of gift card, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and they are reliable 24/7. So now we trade finish. You won't think say you pick the money run abi. And so I get the money run. And so what? I need the point gun for me. You dey point the back of gun at me. You go die today. You make me laugh. For your mind now, it is I cannot see clean and clear. Or guys see clean and bright. But yeah, make we try him. 1, 2, go.
Abaya. You know, they thought they actually shot each other. They never knew they were the one shot themselves.
Oh, here we go again. My fiancé is not around, like I said.
So I can shout, I can scream.
Scream.
Oh, please. Home sweet home.
Is that coming from here?
My boyfriend.
I want to get inside. When they come through for my show.
No peace for the weekend. No peace. No peace. And those ones were hiding. They thought maybe, oh God, why? Don't bust.
It's not what you think.
Where is she?
She's my mommy and sister and girlfriend. That I tell you that.
Wait.
This is playing.
Esther! Who plays? About to move in church. What are you doing here?
What are you doing? I want you.
You have been caught. No more explanation.
This is playing.
Oh yeah. It's now a fight of the community. What is that one doing? What is that guy doing in the middle of them? Oh God, my head don't tire me.
Double. Dummy. You know what shaking me? Why I go shake you? Since why don't they shake you from January to December? What I get inside? If not brokenness and misery. Since your eye they red like best way thief church generator. Come on here.
You will learn. And you will learn the hard way.
Sweet girl, how are you? What's up now? What's your name? Talk to me.
Bella.
Bella, wow, you have a nice name. Yo, my name is Star Prince. Yeah, this is one of my car. You understand? So, I don't know if you are going my way. Let me just give you a lift.
No, thank you.
Why are you rude? See, now let us boy they follow you, they talk.
Let us boy.
Okay, you know what? Just give me your number so that I'll call you to come over to my place. See, now 40 Pro Max. Just put your number everywhere good. I bet stop you hold the phone. Now land money without
land money. When you put your motor for jack, one, and for sure you are looking at her like this. Is this like this?
Hey guys, I look for the best place to trade your Bitcoin and gift card. Worry no more. Layu Exchange got you covered. They are very fast and reliable, 100% tested and trusted. They are the best trading platform in Nigeria when it comes to Bitcoin and gift card. Trade with them today and thank me later. God bless you.
So guys, thanks for watching this comedy video and I believe you enjoyed this one. Alright guys, if you have not subscribed yet on my channel, kindly do so because a lot of comedy, very hilarious ones are on their way coming. So for you not to miss any of it, kindly subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon. Subscribe, share this video to all your social media platforms and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, let's quick dive into some of the most funniest part or most funniest scene on this comedy video. I know a lot of you might not find it funny, might not find some certain part funny, but I just really want to draw your attention to it. So guys, you're going to see how funny this part or these scenes are. All right, let's quickly dive into these scenes. I mean, the funniest part so far in this comedy video. If I'm mistaken, you can also, hit us in the comment section and also narrate your own most favorite or funniest scene in this comedy video. All right, let's go. For me, one of the funniest scene that really got me is Nasty Blaq. You see that part where Nasty Blaq Nasty Blaq, reasoned or thought about the preacher saying that says forgiveness is giving. Everyone thought, Nasty Blaq, this word of advice actually touched the heart of Nasty Blaq, and Nasty Blaq was really, going to change or help Mama Chinedu. But at the long run, on the long run, look at what happened. The next thing was trying to use his cattle. But the funniest thing there is that he listened to the preacher and feel remorse, like feel pity for them. But the next thing is another thing he was doing. No, this is what we call comedy. You understand? This is what we call comedy. So the next scene is, let me see the next funny scene of this comedy video. Is number one. Where that cheater was trying to, he has already succeeded, convincing or deceiving his girlfriend that almost caught him cheating on her. He has almost succeeded, but that guy who called that brought in the balloon, the bulletproof for the action. That guy is the worst guy ever. But he never knew Oga's girlfriend has arrived. Honestly, he just came boom with the gold circle, like, Oga, take bike delay us now, make a no quick come. But I just really try my best to make sure I meet up. And at that moment, the Oga was actually confused. If not for the ex-girlfriend, if not for the cheating partner that actually said, okay, this is part of the comedy, this is part of the prank. And the girl quickly believed it. The mother shouldn't have believed, but the mother wasn't wise enough or wasn't smart enough to understand that these people are trying to do something different. Like they're trying to cover up some funny move of them. But I actually love that part. I love that part. And the other part is, what other part that really got me on this comedy? That Wizzy part really off me. It off me completely. I did not know how to laugh, but I just owed myself not to, laugh or overreact on that. Wizzy came from Lagos broke and was like, oh, let me quickly find some way to relax my head and eat something or drink, if it is water, because it was obvious he had nothing on him. And he got to go to his village and probably this place, they know they sell costly things, but if anybody come with costly things, I will just tell them, say, I'm the city boy, and at the end of the day, I will tell them, say, I need NSC or Azu, and they will say they don't have, so they will still see me as that big boy, they think I am. So, but this one, in this case, it's different. We got to the place and trying to relax, and even water safe now go feed drink. You don't even get money to pay for the water, but at the end of the day, you can't deceive them, can't talk to Azu. But it was shocked when the woman said, I don't have, but my neighbor have. And the guy trying to I don't want to drink NSC, I want to drink something like Azu, thinking that they are not going to have Azu. He just want to maintain that dignity. That eye when they look am big, he just want me to look am big. But at the end of the day, you can't realize people for village they do things past people for city, and it is true. So the other part is this Raf. Abino need prayers. Abino. If this thing they are really talking about them is true, they really need serious, serious care and serious treatments for them to be seen in afternoon. Now, it's not fair. What if na arm robber Abino? Now so he go take shoot himself. Look at. Two have been developing themselves, like they pointed gun at themselves, trying to, like, because of misunderstanding or because of their dispute, all those kind of things. Instead of them to like shoot each other, they they actually shot each other now. Oh my god, that part was so hilarious. It was so hilarious, honestly. And the other part, I don't want to eat, I don't have appetite, and your long throat neighbor was there, and you called him and said take. Before we knew it, our child came out from nowhere and started, I'm hungry. Instead of the mother to say go and cook or go and buy biscuit and eat, he collected the food she has already given to this long throat neighbor. And you think that will not provoke him? And the long throat neighbor was absolutely angry and just told her that let everybody be on their own, please to avoid. It was so painful, all those kind of things when you've already seen the vision, you've already dreamt of eating this food, and it actually came as planned in your mind. But at the end of the day, one small rat can make them collect the food. The thing will vex you now. That food in spirit, they already chopped that food finish. But to his greatest surprise, no way. And you won't make me happy. These comedians are actually doing great things. They're actually, entertaining us. And if you love their comedy, search on them on YouTube, subscribe to their channel, follow them on Instagram, follow them everywhere. If you find them very hilarious to you, just do your best to make sure you support them by subscribing to their channel, YouTube channel, so that you can get more good content from them. All right, guys, we're going to see you on our next update. Have a wonderful time, and happy new year and happy Christmas in advance. Peace out.